Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we break down the syllabus for the Cisco Implementing Cisco Service Provider VPN Services exam, abbreviated SPVI, and explain what you need to learn to pass. This exam covers 4 domains with exact weightings you must master: Layer 3 VPNs 35%, Layer 2 VPNs 30%, VPN architecture 25%, and IPv6 VPNs 10%. Each domain has a clear focus and recommended study time, with Layer 3 and Layer 2 requiring hands-on practice and conceptual understanding, while VPN architecture is more scenario-based and IPv6 is scenario-based, focused on transition technologies. Layer 3 VPNs account for 35% of the exam and are marked hard with an estimated 45 hours of learning and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn MP/BGP control plane fundamentals and how to configure route distinguishers and route targets, plus PECE routing using OSPF, BGP, EIGRP and static routes. The curriculum includes multicast VPN concepts, hub and spoke topologies, and verification of both control plane and data plane operations. Advanced Interas options A, B and C and carrier supporting carrier architectures are covered, along with troubleshooting Interas connectivity, label exchange and shared services in MPLS L3 VPN environments. Layer 2 VPNs represent 30% of the exam, are rated hard, and expect about 40 hours of hands-on and conceptual work. You will implement traditional L2 VPN services like VPWS and VPLS, learn any transport over MPLS concepts and configure pseudo-wire signaling using LDP. The course also covers VPLS with BGP auto discovery, circuit establishment troubleshooting, and pseudo-wire redundancy and backup techniques. Modern Ethernet VPN EVPN topics include the control and data plane behavior, applying EVPN to Metro Ethernet services, PBB EVPN concepts and integrated routing and bridging with EVPN plus MAC learning and route advertisement troubleshooting. VPN architecture makes up 25% of the exam and is medium difficulty with an estimated 30 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will study MPLS VPN fundamentals including typical VPN topologies and service models, and identify the roles of P, PE and CE devices. Expect to learn the MPLS label stack and how label switching operates, plus the interactions between the MPLS control plane and data plane. Label distribution and management is a core topic with LDP operation, configuring LDP for core transport, troubleshooting LDP sessions, understanding the role of BGP in label distribution and implementing LDP-IGP synchronization, as well as VRF-like concepts on CE devices. IPv6 VPNs account for the remaining 10% of the syllabus, are medium difficulty and recommend about 15 hours of scenario-based study. This domain focuses on delivering IPv6 over MPLS using 6PE and 6VPE architectures, covering the label stack and control plane behaviors. You will implement 6PE for IPv6 global reachability and 6VPE for IPv6 VPN services. Configure MP/BGP for IPv6 address families and troubleshoot IPv6 label propagation and routing issues. Mastering these transition technologies ensures IPv6 customers receive full MPLS VPN services across an existing IPv4 transport. To prepare, focus your lab time on Layer 3 and Layer 2 service implementations and troubleshooting. Use scenario exercises for VPN architecture, and run IPv6 over MPLS labs for the 6PE and 6VPE topics. Review MP/BGP, LDP and MPLS fundamentals frequently and practice verification commands and failure scenarios until you can diagnose control plane and data plane problems quickly. Good luck with the Cisco Implementing Cisco Service Provider VPN Services exam and study smart.